Uber presents Uber Legends. Zahir, you're the driver with Dubai's longest trip. After 10 hours and 21 minutes of pure driving passion, you eventually reach the finish line. Keep up the good work, Zahir. You're an absolute legend. Yashin, you've covered over 40,000 kilometers in the back of an Uber. You've really put in some marathon miles, my friend, and not a drop of sweat. What a legend. Let's see how many more kilometers you can clock up, because by the looks of it, you've got a lot more left in the tank. Hanna, you hold Dubai's record for the most trips to the mall. Whether you're a real movie buff, a true shopaholic, or a food lover, we'll happily drop you off every time, because in between the million bags in our backseat, there's a certified legend. Will you be the next Uber legend? Find out at t.uber.com/legends.